So there are a lot of plugins inside of Audacity. So if you were to go to Effects, you'll be able to see that there's a lot of things that you can work with. But sometimes you don't want all of them to be visible all at once. Maybe you just want a few effects. So in order to control out what you see and what you do not see inside of Audacity options, you can go around and then use the Manage Plugin option. So to do that, you can go around into Effect, and over here you can see Add and Remove Plugin is an option. Once you click here, you can display the disabled plugin right here, or see the enabled ones, or see the new ones right here, as you can see. So I'm going to go to the enabled ones right here. So right now there's Amplify, there's Autoduck over here, as you can see. So if I were to go around and then select all, disable everything and press OK. Now if I were to go into Effect, you don't see anything right here. So if I were to go to Add and Remove right here, I'm going to go around into Disabled Plugin. Let's say I'm going to go around, enable the adjustable fade right here. I'm going to go around and enable, let's say for example, the reset drum right here. I can go around and then enable this, or I can select out all and enable that out as well. And now what happens is that you see all of the enabled plugins again, as you can see. So I can go around and then enable and disable certain plugins right here. So let's just go around into enabled right here, select all, and then I'm going to disable this. So now I'm going to go to all, and let's say I'm going to enable this one, I'm going to enable this one, I'm going to enable this one as well, press OK. And in the effect, you can just see the ones that are enabled, as you can see right here. So I'm going to go around into invert right, enable that out, and then over here, you can see invert over here as well. And that is how you can manage out plugins inside of Audacity. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.